Before you spend your money on this Amazon product, here's the honest breakdown you actually need. If you're tired of stuffy air, pet dander, or those nagging allergy symptoms in your home, the PuroAir 240 promises to clean up to 1,000 square feet fast. But can a single unit really make that big of a difference for all those problems? So, what exactly is the PuroAir 240? It's a sleek, modern, and powerful HEPA air purifier, proudly designed by PuroAir to tackle the widespread issue of indoor air pollution across significant living spaces. Unlike many basic filters, the 240 isn't just a dust collector, it's engineered to capture microscopic particles, common allergens, irritating pet dander, unpleasant odors, and even airborne viruses. The core problem it solves is crucial: enhancing your indoor air quality, which directly impacts your respiratory health, sleep quality, and overall comfort within your home. This is especially vital for households with pets, individuals suffering from allergies, or anyone living in urban environments where external pollutants are a constant concern, providing a tangible improvement to your daily environment. First up, its robust True HEPA filter. This isn't just any filter, it's certified to capture an impressive 99.97% of airborne particles as tiny as 0.3 microns. Why is this critical for you? It means significantly reducing pollen, dust mites, pet dander, and mold spores in your breathing air. For allergy sufferers and pet owners, this feature alone can make a huge difference in daily comfort and respiratory health, ensuring cleaner, purer air throughout your space. Beyond particles, the PuroAir 240 features its unique CarbonTech filter, which they claim is up to 500 times stronger than standard activated carbon. This is your secret weapon against stubborn smells. It actively neutralizes persistent pet odors, lingering cooking fumes, smoke, and even harmful volatile organic compounds, VOCs, from household products. You'll notice your home doesn't just feel cleaner, it genuinely smells fresher and more inviting, improving your overall living environment. Next, let's talk about its impressive coverage. This unit is specifically designed to purify large spaces, up to 1,000 square feet. For a 500 square foot room, it delivers 5 complete air changes per hour. This capacity is perfect for expansive living rooms, open-concept kitchens, large master bedrooms, or even an entire small apartment. This means you can rely on a single device for widespread air purification, avoiding the clutter and cost of multiple smaller units while ensuring consistent clean air across a significant area of your home. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.